Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hunter.io for verifying prospect emails easy. Open your web browser and navigate to the Hunter.io website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once registered, log into your Hunter.io account with your credentials. In your dashboard, locate the Email Verifier tool on the left-hand side menu. Click on Email Verifier to access the verification interface. In the Email Verifier section, you will see a text box for entering email addresses. Type in the prospect's email address that you wish to verify. After entering the email address, click on the Verify button. Wait for Hunter.io to process the verification request. Once the verification is complete, review the results displayed on the screen. You will see outcomes such as valid, invalid, or catch-all. If the email is marked as valid, it's safe to reach out to the prospect. If it's marked as invalid, it's best to avoid using that email for outreach. In case of a catch-all response, further verification might be needed. You can repeat this process for multiple email addresses by clicking on Add Another and entering additional emails. To save time, consider using the bulk verification feature found in the Bulk Email Verifiers section. Upload a CSV file containing the list of email addresses you want to verify. Once the file is uploaded, click on the Verify button to start the bulk verification process. Monitor the progress in your dashboard as Hunter.io processes the batch. Once completed, download the verification results for your records. Make sure to check the insights provided for each email to understand its validity. Now you're ready to confidently reach out to your verified prospects using Hunter.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.